The UnNoticed Entrepreneur Podcast is sponsored by Prowly, the all-in-one tool for PR experts.
Today we're going to Gainesville, Florida to talk to Mark Myers. And we're going to talk about how over 15 years you've managed to really build a brand that brings business to you. So Mark, tell my fellow unnoticed entrepreneurs how you've managed to transition from competing with lots of people on a commodity to having a premium value-add service where business is coming to you.
Fantastic, Jim. I'd love to. So what I found in my first decade of work and career was that I was really good at running other people's businesses, regardless of the type of business, whether it be running a high-end health club in New York City or Los Angeles, or running a shoe company. The process was the same, which was driving revenue, managing expenses, increasing EBITDA margins, and of course, the culture of the business and those that are working in the business. Those factors didn't matter regardless of what business you were in. You needed to do them well. So that was my transition from running other people's businesses in an industry that I had an education in, switching gears and saying, I'd like to continue to work as an entrepreneur, but not in this space, but focus on what I've learned. And I would say, Jim, that earnestly, an opportunity or an avenue that is unique and different than your competitors, but ultimately do it in a way that you can align yourself with your competitors. That's been the biggest aha moment for me. So if it's possible, obviously, I don't know if everyone's industry is different, but if it's possible to carve out an area of your business that you can do and not step on the toes of the competitors in your space and actually align yourself with them, now you've got something really special.
Now, this was just a 2-minute trailer for a full 20-minute show. The show will be dropping into your feed in the next day or so, so do look out for it and do enjoy it, share it, and review it. Thanks for listening to this trailer of The Unnoticed Entrepreneur.
The UnNoticed Entrepreneur Podcast is sponsored by Prowly, the all-in-one tool for PR experts.